was a tough match. I think it's one of those matches where the scores actually reflected the fight, and I'm glad I was able to pull through in the end. Yana, Yana's game has improved leaps and bounds. I remember the first time I played her, and I remember my experience just now, and I can say without a doubt that she is one of the most improved players. So I have to give credit where credit is due. She pushed me through the extreme today, but I'm happy that I won.
I think it was honestly a great matchup today. Like me and Simone have had many fights like over the years, and I'm just really grateful to her every time because she really encourages me and like pushes me to become better. So every time it gets a little better with her, and she's always like giving me something new to have to go work on. So today I think I did my best. And it wasn't my day today, but I feel okay with that, honestly, because it's always something else to go learn.